Hello.
Please say hello.
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 Hi, Abdurrahim. Selamat malam. Can you tell us something about Indonesia?
Yes, beautiful.
Can you hear?
Rahim, can you try your microphone? I think we already hear your voice, but please try again.
Can you talk about your country, about Indonesia? Or maybe there you can ask questions as well. Let's see what happens. I don't know whether you can. Are you
Indonesia
connected?
is a beautiful country. Indonesia have a lot of language and a beach.
Yes. Tell us
Okay,
more.
so I will share the PPT, Mr. Michael, and also Teacher Anna, and my student will explain about Indonesia. Is it okay?
Oh, great.
Okay. Okay. Baca.
So lovely.
So we will present about Indonesia. Please, Isan, you can introduce yourself first.
Hello, my name is Fatiul Isan Al-Hakim. You can call me Isan. I am 12 years old. I will tell you all about Indonesia.
Please.
The world map. Where
This is map. This is map of
this is map
map.
of world map. And this is Indonesia. Can you see?
Yeah. Can you
Can
see it?
you
Yeah.
see Indonesia?
Yes. Can you see it, guys? Yeah. There. Like,
Yes,
here it is.
yes. Perfect.
Map of Indonesia. Indonesia is a large archipelagic country in the world. Indonesia is located in Southeast Asia and Oceania between the India and Pacific Ocean. Indonesia Raya. In English, Great Indonesia is the national anthem of Indonesia. It has been the national anthem since the proclamation of Indonesia its independence on 17 August 1945.
We have the national anthem.
Ed Sheeran, National Song of Indonesia.
Ragazzi, posate i vostri oggetti. Camera I close. Wait a minute.
Thank you so much for listening our national song of Indonesia. Over to you, Belva.
It's simple, the lines exactly like.
Hello everyone, my name is Belva. I'm 17 years old. I will tell you about the anthem of Indonesia is Garuda Pancasila. Capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta. Independence Day. The Independence Day of Indonesia falls on August 17. Indonesia will celebrate the 79th Independence Day. National flag of Indonesia, which is known as Saka Merah Putih, the red and white. National motto of Indonesia. Bhinneka Tunggal Ika is the official national motto of Indonesia. The verse is all Javanese, translate as unity in diversity, means a diversity that built the country.
Thank you, Belva. Over to you, Aurel.
Hello, my name is Aurel. I'm 18 years old. I will tell you about currency of Indonesia. The Indonesian rupiah is the currency of Indonesia. The currency code for rupiah is IDR and the currency symbol is RP. Religion in Indonesia. Indonesia has 6 religions. There are Islam, Protestants, Catholicism, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Confucianism.
Thank you, Aurel. Over to you, Pras.
Fai una foto, questo è carino.
Hello, my name is Pras.
Kamu berapa
Hi. I am 9 years old.
Kurang keras. Saya
I am 9 years old. Festival and celebration. Eid al-Fitr. Islam Primes Festival. Christmas. Kunci tahun in Manado. Nyepi. The Day of Silence in Bali. Waisak or Vesak. Observation Life of Buddha. Cap Gomeh. The Chinese New Year. Iseng Muang Cultural Festival. National costumes of Indonesia are batik, kebaya, and peci. Besides, every region in Indonesia also have their own ethnic clothes. Costumes in Indonesia called baju adat or pakaian adat. Here are ethnic clothes of regions of Indonesia. This is Dayak Javanese. And these are Balinese, Toraja, and Batak. That's it. Over to you, Rohim.
This is Indonesia traditions. Jaipong from West Java, kecap from Bali, reok from East Java, saman from Aceh, balian dadas from Central Borneo, tortor from North Sumatra. Indonesia fauna emblem. Komodo dragon, Javan hawk eagle, dragon Asian, golden Asian arowana, super red Asian arowana. Indonesian flora emblem. This is Melati Putih, Anggrek Bulan or Moon Orchid, Rafflesia Arnold. Indonesian food. Sate ayam, nasi goreng, rendang, and lapis legit.
Nice.
I don't want to sound rude, but now it's lunchtime here, and these pictures really have an effect on our stomachs.
The Indonesian food is very good. It's very good. Nasi
I
goreng.
can
nasi
imagine.
goreng. Yeah.
Never tried. Please, Apurin, go on.
Yeah, so let's learn about Bahasa Indonesia, our language. Good morning. In Indonesia, we say selamat pagi. Can you follow us?
Salam. It's more or
Selamat
less-
pagi. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
And good afternoon, we say selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
Yes, that's great. And good evening, we say selamat sore.
Sore.
Selamat sore.
Selamat sore.
Good night, we say selamat malam.
Salam.
Selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
Yes, that's great. So, goodbye, we say selamat tinggal.
Selamat tinggal.
And see you, we say sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.
Yes. Sampai jumpa. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you so much for listening.
Terima kasih. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
we say thank you in Indonesia. We say terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Look, guys, from Indonesia, can you tell me who is this man? I have some Indonesian money because I went to Bali last year in Indonesia. And this man, who is this man?
Yes, that's 10.000 rupiah.
Is he like the leader of the country? Or is he a scientist?
Okay, so
Thank you.
now we would like to know about Italy.
Okay, okay.
Thank you very much for your presentation. It was very interesting, very nice. Well done. Great job.
Thank you.
And like, there were like students from all ages, like from, I think the youngest was 12 and the oldest was 18. I think that's right, isn't it? And we thank you very much for taking the time because I know it's not easy for you. At the moment, they are going to receive, I think today.
Michael, may I ask you a favor? Can they share the presentation they had? Can we
Yeah.
have it? Can they
Yeah.
share it?
Yes, I'm sure Emmy will send it to me and I can send it to you.
Yes,
No problem.
please. Can you ask them
The recording
the presentation?
slides. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, the
But,
slides.
yeah. So absolutely, I'm sure Emmy, I can ask Emmy, no problem.
By the way,
I was
have they also?
I
Sorry.
just wanted to thank them because they have like some people coming now from different countries to their school, and so thank you very much, for taking the time because they have
Michael,
students
sorry, Michael.
working at
Have
that
they
and,
also recorded? Have they also
Yeah.
recorded the meeting?
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
we have the recording?
yes,
as
you
well?
can. I'm sure Emmy will
Please.
be happy about that.
Thank
But,
you. Great job. Well done. Again.
Thanks. So they have some people coming from Vietnam. Emmy, is that right? Some students and some teachers from Vietnam and from Myanmar.
Myanmar, yes. Tomorrow, tomorrow they will come to Indonesia and will come to my school. Actually, it's not my school who have present, but some is my. Okay, thank you so much.
You have like some things you want to tell can you tell something to the students from Indonesia about Salerno? You know that you did the same with me. Can you tell them the guys here from Indonesia, they want to know something about Salerno? Do you have anything to share?
Hi, my
Hello.
name is Federica. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
And in fact, we are from the south of Italy, Salerno, in a village south of Italy. We live in a village near Salerno, and we speak Italian, of course, and we
And Indonesian as well.
but as the teacher said, we also speak dialects, and we speak the dialect of Naples.
Federica, can you teach some gestualidad, the important gestures, because Italy is famous for gestures.
I gesti tipici italiani.
Yeah.
Questo.
This one, can you do this one? Guys,
Yes,
do this?
but there is a fake news about this because it seems like what do you want? We do this. What do you want? But they say "Mamma mia." It's not like, and
how do you say I am hungry?
Just one thing, Michael. Signing is always very nice because we may have different traditions, and some signs may be misunderstood or a different way in their own country. I don't want to use a diplomatic.
Okay, no problem.
and or this.
Yeah, I'm hungry. It's like this.
This is good. For a food, we if we do that.
Federica, if you're very hungry, you do this. If you're very hungry.
Very hungry.
And if we tired, if we are tired, we do that. Or
Abdul, can you do this? It means I am tired. You know? Saya pisang. Saya pisang.
But if you say it's your fault and it's not, I do this. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I do this every time. So if we want to eat, we do this. Not Good.
This
We
is,
do.
Oh, Michael, do you know the reason why they are uploading? Because they fall in love with Emmy's boy on the screen. They really fall in love with him.
yeah,
And
what's your
everything
name?
he does, every smile, he
He's
gives us.
wonderful.
Oh, they got mad.
Emmy, what is the name of your boy? Is this what
Sorry,
is
I-
his name?
My students, say
Yeah,
hello,
what's his-
please. They a little one.
He's very good. I mean, you're all very good, very good. Yeah. And like, oh, Emmy, I think I've shown Emmy. This is the story that you remember the colors of the Indonesian flag. This is the story. And you can see what she is wearing.
Do you like class? The story of Indonesia. Yes. You like?
About Indonesia, yeah.
Yes, I see.
My latest story.
wait. Sorry, that book is another story that you write. Is
Yes.
another book.
Yes.
And what
I've
is the
written it
term?
especially for Indonesian students, and it's going to be circulated now. It's being printed, and it's like a free story for Indonesian students, that anybody who wants to read it. So hopefully Emmy and her students will also read it.
And we are so excited. We would like to
Michael,
read that.
I wonder, Emmy, I wonder you can hear me. You've done a great job. We thank you so much for your effort to be with us in your afternoon. We are still at school. Now it's our regular school time. And we thank you so much for your availability and kindness. And we thank your students. They were all great. Good job. Really, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Teacher Anna. And we are looking forward the other meeting.
Okay, I hope we can meet again. And I
Yes,
thank
sure.
you so much. It was really great. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you so much.
We need to leave
How
now
do you
because
thank
our
you?
time.
How you say thank you in Indonesia, Pras?
Grazie. Thank you. Grazie.
Grazie.
Grazie mille.
Thank you.
Grazie.
Thank
Terima
you.
kasih.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We need
Mr.
to go
Michael,
now.
thank you so much for connect
Thank
us
you.
with
Thank you for
the
being
student.
Thank you so
helpful.
much,
Thank you.
Michael, for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Abdurrahim, for coming and connect with student from Italy.
Keep
Bye
well.
bye.
Thank
Sampai
you.
jumpa.
Sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa.
Bye.
See you later. Arrivederci. Wonderful. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, come on.
Bye-bye.
Hold on, please. We could take a picture a while,
Please
please.
take a picture. Take a picture.
Yeah.
Yes, we can get in touch also thanks to
Yes,
Michael.
please.
So maybe in
Yes.
September, October, we can meet again and maybe we have time to prepare our own presentation and introduce you to our country. That would be a pleasure to thank you. Again, grazie mille. Thank you so
Fantastic.
much.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
I'll take a picture. Grande. Thank you so
Michael.
much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima
And,
kasih.
It will be like I'll speak to you about the other meeting. Maybe the 10th is easier for me at 5